Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Python 3.10.2 on Windows 10. With that, we will also see a sample program. So let's begin. At first, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in on Google, type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. Whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the recent version will be visible. So we want for Windows. So I'll click on it. This is the current version, Python 3.10.2. Click on it. On clicking the download started, it's only 26 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see the exe file downloaded. Now I'll double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now herein you can see the setup started. At first, set the Python 3.10 to path. So you can straight away click on install now, but I'll go for the customize installation. Click on it. On clicking, you can see it will install documentation, pip as well as IDLE. So pip is basically used to install other Python packages. IDLE is an ID to run Python programs. So we will see an example of Python in IDLE as well after installing. Rest keep as it is and click on next. Herein you can see advanced option. You can click on install for all users. After clicking, you can see the path has been set. It's under program files. Our Python will get saved here. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but I'll keep as it is. Click on install. Now the setup started. So guys, you can see the setup is successful. Click on close. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt. Here and now we will type a command to verify that we have successfully installed Python or not. Type Python space -- version and press enter. Here you can see we have successfully installed Python 3.10.2. Now let us type py and press enter. Here you can see we can directly run our program here. I am just printing something for our example. Now press enter. We printed it successfully. But I would rather prefer IDLE or any ID. So we also installed IDLE if you remember. So just type IDLE and here you can see we installed the Python IDLE, which is an ID only, integrated development environment, so that you can easily run your Python programs. Click on open. Here it is guys. You can straight away run here in similar way. So I am printing something, let's say Amit Things first program, semicolon, and press enter. So herein you can see we successfully printed it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Python current version, pip, IDLE. We also saw a sample Python program. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.